Welcome, science enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of fume hood testing and performance evaluation using the revolutionary Tri-Color Fume Hood Visualizer. Imagine having a tool that not only detects loss of containment in fume hoods, but also simulates real-life lab challenges. That's exactly what the Tri-Color does. Loss of containment? That's chemical fumes making an unauthorized exit from the hood, posing health risks. And the visualizer? It shows us that story through different colored lights. We're putting this visualizer through its paces, testing with the sash in different positions, navigating challenges like walk-bys, turning, and balancing the room. Real-life situations, real-time solutions. But wait, there's more. Tri-Color isn't just about visuals, it's about data. It doesn't just show us, it logs performance, visualizes it, and gives us access to results online. Connectivity at its finest. Remember loss of containment during fume hood testing? That's what we're tackling head-on. Tri-Color empowers us to see, understand, and address these critical challenges. Don't just take our word for it. Experts and users alike rave about the impact of Tri-Color. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer in lab safety and efficiency. To sum up, fume hood testing and containment issues are vital. Tri-Color? It's the solution, revealing unseen dangers and keeping our labs safe. Thanks for joining us on this insightful journey into fume hood testing and performance evaluation. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep pushing the boundaries of science.